Hi, today I'll show you how to make sweet pancakes. They're very easy and very quick to make them. So what I'm going to use is around 250 milligrams of milk and around 200 milligrams of all-purpose flour, 200 milligrams of sugar, 2 eggs, pinch of salt, and then I'll add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So let's start with the process. I have added 2 eggs, and then I am going to add the pinch of salt into it. I am going to add the all-purpose flour. I am going to add the milk. I'm gonna give it a good whisk now. Mix it until it's all mixed well. I've now just added 2 tablespoons of melted butter into it. Then you don't need to add butter to the pan. That means this is diet control pancakes as well, if you look beyond the flour and the sugar and all that. I'm adding the sugar into it now. This is the consistency you're looking for. I've now heated the pan and I am pouring in the dough, just the right amount, and then you just spread it around. That's it. Just medium heat so you don't overcook and burn your pancakes. When you see it's getting brown on that side and the corner, and you see the bubbles, it means it's ready to be flipped. That's how the final pancake looks like.